Hi there, so thanks for joining me this week. I did say last week that I'd bring out a video this week of pouring on a budget. So what I'm sharing with you is what I've learnt from Fiona Art, and that is the Elmer Glue medium binder and water acrylic pour mix. So I've already tried two pourings using this, but my mixes weren't quite right. The pillow paint basically is different because I'm using the Elmer Glue and water mix, binder mix with paint. So it's getting your paints to the right consistency, which is the most trickiest of all. So this is my mix that I've made up. That's 300 ml of Elmer Glue, 300 ml of Acrylic binder, and 400 ml of water. Okay, so I'm mixing that with my acrylic paint. So this one is a magenta, Acrylic Brilliant Magenta. It's an opaque. So you want to have your opaques included in your acrylic pouring, because cell activator does not work over transparent paint. The results is, you don't have a nice clear visual of cells or webbing. It sort of dissolves into the paint, so yeah, it's a bit howdy-doody. So always make sure that you have your opaque paint, which goes on top of any transparent paint, and then your cell activator goes on top of that. Okay, but that's looking, that goes a bit blop, so let's just add it little by little. You don't want to add too much at a time because it's very easily made too fluid. So just bit by bit, that's all you need. I wasn't really sure what to do today. You have, days that you have inspiration, and other days you just think, what the heck? And especially if you've had a run of pourings not working, it can be a bit frustrating. That's about a 4 stream. I'll do a bit more. Seems to have a lot of air bubbles in. We're going for about a 5-6 stream here. That just feels too fluid to me. But we'll see how that goes anyway. Okay, so we'll do the same now. Okay, so we have Matisse Cobalt Teal Opaque, and like so. And again, just a little bit. That might be too much. I don't do my last layer in dioxazine purple. So there are things you need to be aware of when pouring, okay? So I don't always think about it, and then I have to do redos or fixer-uppers. So I may have put too much. You see? Look. Okay, so this cell activator has been sitting for a while, so it has thickened up, so I'm just going to add, I have added a bit of Floetrol, and I'm using Australian Floetrol. I'm just going to use white cell activator today. I'm using an 8-inch canvas. So this is my pillow paint, and I've used chroma for that with the Elmer glue binder and water mix. Okay, so I'm just going to do a little bloom. Let that go over the edge. You can see all the little air bubbles in it. I just want to get rid of them now. Alright. Let's give that a pat on the sides. I'll put my dioxazine purple on first. It's about a 5. this on the glue.